Hello everybody. Here are the 8 countries exporting the most arms in the world, according to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. Starts with number 8. Spain. With 2.7% of total arms exports worldwide, the main destinations for Spanish arms exports are Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia and Australia. Number 7. The United Kingdom. With 3.7% of total arms exports in the world, Saudi Arabia, India and the United States are the United Kingdom's main customers. The United Kingdom increases its military budget to more than €58 billion in 2023. Number 6. Italy. With 4.3% of total arms exports worldwide, the 3 main recipient countries of Italy's arms exports are Turkey, Egypt and Pakistan. For information, the largest global importers over the period 2019 to 2023 are India, Saudi Arabia and Qatar, followed by Ukraine, which received significant arms transfers from more than 30 countries in 2022 and 2023. Number 5. Germany. With 5.6% of total arms exports worldwide, South Korea, Algeria and Egypt are the 3 main recipients. The increase in arms imports by European countries between 2019 and 2023 is largely due to massive arms transfers to Ukraine in 2022 and 2023. As you see, the majority of the countries just mentioned are importers and exporters at the same time. 55% of arms imports by European countries between 2019 and 2023 come from the United States. Number 4. China. With 5.8% of total arms exports in the world, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Burma are China's main customers. China positions itself as an arms supplier of choice for many countries. Russian invasion of Ukraine provides China with opportunity to increase arms exports. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. We continue. Number 3. Russia. The decline in Russian exports places the country in 3rd position. With 10.5% of total arms exports in the world, Russia sells more readily to India, its traditional buyer, China and Vietnam. Russia has doubled its 2023 defense spending target to more than €90 billion, a third of all public spending. Number 2. France. With 10.9% of total arms exports in the world, France dethrones Russia and becomes the 2nd largest arms exporter in the world. 42% of France's arms exports go to countries in Asia and Oceania, while 34% are sent to states in the Middle East. The main recipient of French arms exports is India, with almost 30% of all exports. And finally, number 1 is the United States. With 41.7% of total arms exports worldwide, the United States delivered major weapons to 107 states between 2019 and 2023. According to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, Ukraine has become the world's 4th largest arms importer and France has replaced Russia as the world's 2nd largest exporter, behind the United States. This is the end of the video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.